Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this gorgeous SEAT Arona 1.0 TSI SE Technology. Now this vehicle is currently run 22,330 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour candy white, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. And now take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your halogen headlights with these stylish LED daytime running lights there. These complement the vehicle all throughout the day. Here to the side you have your 17-inch dynamic alloy wheels, your indicator integrated into the door mirror there, and you also have roof rails up top so you can add things like a roof box, for example, to increase your storage. Take a look inside here to the rear now, and you have your gorgeous two-tone cloth interior with the nice textured cloth in the centre. The right ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. And overall you have a nice amount of space there for rear passengers to travel comfortably. Moving around to the rear, you do have your Arona badging across the tailgate. Now let's go ahead and open up the boot here. Now you do have a nice amount of space here. You can fit a weekly shop in there very nicely. You even have some additional storage underneath the boot floor as well, making it very nice and practical. Overall, you can fit plenty in there. You also have tethering points as well, so you can tie any loads down if you need to, if you don't want things to move around freely in the vehicle. Now up top, you will find a handle allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Now let's go and move around here, and now let's take a look inside here up front. You do have your leather multifunction steering wheel. You have a very nice grey effect across the dashboard. Your front seats here, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. And now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this SEAT Arona has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments. These allow you to quickly make adjustments to the mirrors so you can see clearly to the rear, and they're super handy as well when parking, as you can put the mirrors down to check you're in the lines or next to the curb when parallel parking. The vehicle is equipped with full electric windows, and you have a button there as well for locking the rear windows if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. Now on the dashboard here you do have automatic headlights, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. Now here on the right you have your wiper stalk, and here up front on the steering wheel you have your controls for the digital display in between the dials in the instrument cluster. You can access all different information on here, such as your fuel consumption, and see things like how many miles you have left in your tank. You can also access your assist systems with the front assist here. This does detect potential hazards ahead and emergency brakes if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. Here as well you do have the volume controls for the infotainment system, and you can also change track or station. Behind here you have your wiper stalk, and as well you have your cruise control at the end of it, which is ideal for those longer journeys, as it means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator the whole time, and it does allow you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Super ideal if you're always on the motorway. You can also alternate between cruise control and a speed limiter as well. Very nice touch to have if you're always on the motorway. Here in the centre now you do have your touchscreen infotainment system. You can access DAB, FM and AM radio, and with your DAB you do have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio you can enjoy it nice and clearly. You have a list of stations available to you that you can go and tune in. Super easy to tune your favourite stations in. Makes accessing all different types of stations very easy to do. You can also connect your own source of audio. You do have USB as well as auxiliary input, SD, CD player, and you also have your Bluetooth audio as well. Of course, with the Bluetooth, you can also safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to and ensure you don't miss any important phone calls there. It's very easy to pair devices up to the vehicle. You can search for the device directly from here. You do have your voice control. You can ask the vehicle to do a variety of different things, such as with the navigation, you can ask it to enter addresses, or with the telephone, you can ask it to call people from your contacts. It means you don't have to fiddle around with the touchscreen system while you're driving. It's a nice touch to have. Simply ask the vehicle to do it for you, and you can concentrate on the road. Now you have your navigation here, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very nice, clear, easy to follow guidance with a nice coloured display. You can even use the pinch to zoom method on the touchscreen to zoom in and out. Straightforward to use. Now you have your full link here with your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink, which brings your phone's interface onto the touchscreen infotainment system here. It allows you to also safely make hands-free phone calls and text using voice command. You can even use compatible apps as well, such as music streaming services, so you can access all of your favourite playlists that you have on your phone directly on the vehicle here without having to touch your device. Moving on now, you do have some vehicle information here you can access, including your Eco Trainer, vehicle consumers. You can see the air conditioning using some of the fuel there. You can also see your driving data with things like miles to the gallon. You also have a vehicle status where the vehicle will send any messages regarding any issues. Now another nice feature the vehicle has, you have the rear sensors here, giving you added confidence when reverse parking, as it makes you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle or things you might be able to see. It makes parking overall much more easier to do. You can see them displayed nice there, giving you guidance on how close you are to objects. Below here now you have your air conditioning, which is very straightforward to use, with each control and switch clearly labelled, and it isn't too overly clustered with different types of buttons. You have your fan speed in the centre, your temperature to the left, and your direction of airflow switch there to the right. Your AC button, your air recirculation, and you also have a heated rear windscreen as well. Below here you do have your two USB inputs as along with your auxiliary input, and there's also a wireless charger there. So you don't have to have a cluster of different cables. You can simply chuck your device on there that is compatible with wireless charging for it to charge. Your door locks and your start-stop system there. Thanks for watching this video on the SEAT Arona 1.0 TSI SE Technology. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.